Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to remove the first character in Excel. Now let's say we want to remove the very first character, which is age, in this list of ID numbers. So in this method, I'm going to use the replace function. Now at first, we have to type the replace function first. Next, we have to insert its arguments. So the very first argument is old text. So here basically the old text is the text from which we want to remove the first character. So in this particular case, the old text is cell B2. Next, start number. So as we want to remove the first character, so the start number will be 1. After that, number of characters. As we want to remove only a single character, so the number of characters that we want to replace is also going to be 1. Finally, new text. Here, new text will be a null value. So if we replace the first character with a null value, it's gonna remove the first character. So here, I'm going to insert a quotation mark, which actually represents a null value. So basically, this is all about the formula. Now I'm gonna hit the enter button and look, it's done. So finally, I'm just gonna copy down the formula and it looks great. Now I'm going to use the write and len function to remove the first character. At first, we have to type the write function. So the write function returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. Okay, let's just go ahead. So first, it's asking for a text to insert. So here the text will be cell B2. Next, number of characters. So here we will use the len function. If we insert a text inside the len function, it will count the total number of characters present within the text. After that, we have to subtract 1 as we want to remove the first character. So finally, we have to insert a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. So this is all about the formula, and let's just press the enter button and look, it's done. So finally, we have to copy down the formula and it looks great. Now I'm going to use the mid and len function. So at first we have to type mid. So the mid function returns the characters from the middle of a text string given a string position and length. Okay, let's just go ahead and we have to insert a text first. So let's insert cell B2, then start number. So as we want to ignore the first character, so the start number will be 2. Next, number of characters. Here we'll use the len function to count the number of characters. So len function, inside len function we have to insert a text, so which will be cell B2 in this particular case. Now finally, as we want to remove the first character, we have to subtract 1, just like the previous formula, from the len function. And finally, we have to insert a closing parenthesis to complete the formula, and we have to press the enter button to insert the formula. And look, it has successfully removed the first character, and if we copy down the formula, it will do the same for the rest of the ID numbers. Now, I'm going to show you how to use the flash fill feature to remove the first character. Well, to use the flash fill feature, first we have to choose a column next to the column from where we want to remove the characters. So at first, we have to insert manually the text without the first character. So without the first character, I mean age, we have to insert 904. Next, we will again keep inserting the text without the first character. So as I type 3, Excel is already suggesting the required output. So to accept this suggestion, all you need to do is press the enter button and it will do the job. Now finally, we'll use the text to columns wizard to remove the first character. So first, we have to select the text. Next, we'll go to the date tab. Under the data details group, you will easily find text to columns command. Just click on it and convert text to columns wizard will appear. Next, choose fixed width and hit the next button. After that, in the data preview section, click in between the first and the second character. you will see a vertical arrow appears which separates the first character and the rest of the part. Now hit the next button, then choose destination. After that, hit the finish button, and now look at column D. It has successfully removed the first character.